Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share with you nuts powder for the babies. So first you can introduce separately all the nuts and then you can try this nuts powder. So here I am taking one cashew, one bowl cashew, almond, pistachio and walnut. You can also add saffron or cardamom according to baby taste what he or she like most. So here I am going to dry roast the almond first. So here I am adding this almond, a cup of almond here, and I am going to dry roast little bit. Don't dry roast the nuts for too long as it may leave out the oil. Dry roast each nut until it is hot to touch, or you could simply sun dry them and grind it too. So here I am doing little bit of roasting here, and finally this almond is done. Now keep this aside and cool it down. Yes, you can see it is done. Okay, so next I am drying roast the cashew until it's hot to touch and remove from the pan and set aside. Don't dry roast for a long time as it may leave out the oil too. So now I am adding walnut here and this is almost done. Now I am going to add pistachio until it is hot. Don't touch it. Remove from the pan and set aside. So yes, now everything is done. Now I am going to add all this thing in blender. You can also add saffron or brown sugar for the taste, but here I am not using any sugar. Here I am keep it simple. I am just going to blend all the dry fruits here. So here is my blending jar. So guys, this homemade nuts powder can be given to the babies at age of 8 months plus after introducing each nut separate, one at the time in the paste or powdered form by adding to the baby food, because cashew and all will give constipation to baby also. So once you introduce each nut separately, then rule out allergy, then try this nuts powder. So this is really healthy and very good for brain development, for babies weight gain, everything. When you start giving this nuts powder, start with half spoon of powder and check whether the baby show any allergic reaction. Check it for 3 days, and if the baby is not allergic to it, you can increase the amount gradually and you are good to go. So here I am grinding every nuts and this is almost done. I am going to do the fine powder here and you can see. So guys, here I want to give you one tips that never run the mixer or blender for more than 10 seconds. When grinding your nuts may leave out oil if you blend continuously. So just blend it for 10 seconds, not more than that, and you are good to go. So here I am storing this nuts powder in that jar and you can refrigerate it, or you can keep it in the cool place also. You can add this nuts powder in milk, or you can make a Cerelac porridge, milkshake, smoothie, and you can also stuff in fulkas on parathas. You can make laddus, cookie, etc. So this is really healthy nuts powder for babies or toddlers. So you can give him directly or with milk as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.